Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to hide pattern line in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, lock your screen and try to unlock your phone. This is my pattern, but while trying my pattern, that pattern line is visible. If anybody near my phone, they can easily find what pattern I use. Okay, because it is visible, that line is visible and they can easily find out. Okay, suppose if you want to turn off this line tracking, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to lock screen, then go to secure lock settings and try your current pattern for authentication, and now make pattern visible is turned on. Okay, you have to turn off this button, make pattern visible. So now pattern in invisible, check, go to lock screen and try to unlock your phone with your pattern. Now while drawing there is no line tracking. Okay, see here. So in this way you can easily hide pattern line in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.